Hey, day 2 of the journey, third quarter, 2024. Hey, my friends, listen, man, I appreciate you rocking with me on the journey. I was supposed to shave this morning, but instead, guess what I was doing? You guessed it. I was in bed sleeping. Well, why was I sleeping? Because I didn't get in, guys, until 1 a.m. Now, what was I doing at 1 a.m.? Well, I'm glad you asked. See, we found another hack that when you have an abundance of the laundry to do, it is best to do it between the hours of 10 p.m. And 11 p.m. when there's no one at the laundromat. So, yeah, I know what you're saying. I thought you have folks that help you with your cleaning. Listen, here's what I want to let you know. You are going to accumulate comforters in the winter that are too heavy for the spring. And then you're going to accumulate comforters in the spring that are too light for the winter. So we found ourselves every 90 days, 4 months or so, needing to swap out the old comforters that need laundering, and gross story, but I got to share it with you because y'all rocking with me on the journey. When we first got going with this, we had a group that was helping us doing the cleaning. And by that point, we had gotten a super host, and, we were trying to scale. We couldn't do it all on our own, and we were looking to automate it. So we got a referral from a person. They were working with us. And for a while, we were pleased, but we would go in and we would just notice little things. Guys, this is still gross, but it is what it is. We found out they were changing the linen, but weren't changing the comforters. And, guys, I don't know how to say this, but depending on the ethnic group of your guests, some people drop hair more readily than others. And you just got to be mindful that when you start doing the cleaning, it's not as simple as just changing things. That hair is persistent. So you got to be real thorough yourself, or you got to have a group that's real thorough. Long story short, once we confronted them about the comforter not being changed, they told us that industry standards per hotels, that comforters don't have to be changed every wash. And we politely told them that might be industry standard, but that's not Earl and Yvonne standard. And if they couldn't, do what we requested, we seek, assistance somewhere else. But that was a lesson learned, guys. The little things, guys, the way you do the little things is the way you do everything. So I'm going in the house. I'm going to shave because the next time y'all see me, I won't be looking like an old rugged hillbilly from West Virginia. Blessings, everybody.